The entrance is just all the way over there. We just pulled onto the lake bed, and it's nice and flat and wide open. Just pulled up to our spot. Okay, ready, set, go! Mac and James are cooked. Heading out on a trip, getting the trailer picked up and hitched up here, and then we're going to be taking this back to hitch it up to the RV. All right, we got all our groceries, and I picked up some random strange kids while we were here at Walmart. See you guys over at the RV. We got the RV now. Macker's buckled up, Caesar's buckling up. We're all hitched up. We're nice and long again. We're not even going to be filling up the trailer very much. We're just going to put a couple dirt bikes on it today. It's just always stressful to me when I'm this long. I'm not used to it. Coming in over 60 feet again, probably 65 feet long. So, all right, we're going to head back to the house and get the toys loaded up. It just trips me out. 65 feet long, all the way back there. And we're this close. Now we got to squeeze out this gate. This will be interesting. Trailer nice and clear.
This guy's like, there's a big RV coming out. There's a big RV coming out.
It actually pulls like surprisingly straight.
Gee, this is crazy, guys. I never thought this would go this well. Because if it did, I'll pee my pants. OMG.
There we go. We made it out, guys. Oh my goodness. That was suspenseful. Tight spot, but we did it. Let's go drop this ramp real quick. Yes. Yeah. Nobody will probably park too close to it, hopefully. If I gotta move up a little bit just to get it on, that's fine. All right, James is finally here. So it's the following week from when I loaded this stuff up. No, just kidding.
Sure it is.
We got James's bike. We got the Razor. We got Caesar printing me in the face. We got Caesar's bike. And then we got Daddy's bike. Look at me, look at me. Ow!
I got it. Okay, I got it.
Yeah! Cool! Jay! Yeah!
Mac has missed you, dude.
I missed y'all too.
I was like, hey, you guys want to go to the desert? They thought it was me, you know? You know where this is going. And I was
No!
like, they're like, no. And I was like, well, it's going to be me and Uncle James. Oh, Uncle James is going? Yeah, I'll go. And then they straight up say, if it was just you, Daddy, I don't want to go.
Hey, your dad's bike to me is like this bike to your dad's bike.
No, not that much slower.
Oh yeah, it is.
We're out of here. We got James, we got Cece, we got Macker, and we got to get gas. It's gonna be an adventure. We're gonna do a bunch of races on the lake. James got the fastest bike, but he's got the least seat time. All right, we're 65 feet long. Here we go.
His bike isn't gonna keep up.
All right, we're finally gassing up here at 76. Big enough to fit our whole rig. Got people squeezing around our car. James forgot the ice, but he was able to remember it the second time.
I said that, that's what
Yeah!
All right, gotta babysit all three of you guys. We are El Mirage bound. I forgot my annual pass. I'm just gonna tell them I have an annual pass if they come up to us, which they never really do. So I'm just gonna kind of.
They pull around at nighttime.
It's opening up right where you said it would. How you guys doing back there? Bored as heck?
I can imagine.
Yeah. I don't know if we'll see it. There, maybe that's it right there.
That sucks.
It's about 8:40. We got like 10 miles left. We'll see you guys when we get there. We have made it to El Mirage. It's about all you can see right now, but we're gonna head out onto the big open moon of a lake bed. James has never camped on a lake bed, so he'll learn why it's cool. I prefer camping on here. Bro, there's tons of videos of me camping on a lake bed. I'm gonna go to my spot because there's usually no one over there. We're all set up here at camp. We'll go season some burgers up and get cooking here.
Don't tell me.
This is boring as heck.
Like, do something that is
Go
helpful.
split the wood.
You want to do something that's helpful?
Piece by
Then
piece.
go put the levelers
Okay.
in. The burgers are burning. Call them burgers.
No,
They're actually not ready yet. They're actually pretty perfect.
perfect.
Yeah.
They would have stuck to the grill.
We got burgers going up. Look at James's burger. This is like a chili size. He's got chili beans, onions, triple cheese. Single or double patty?
Just saying.
Single patty. Good job, Mac. Let's see your burger. Ketchup, yummy looking burger. Caesar, yummy looking burger. I'm gonna make my burger and we'll see what it looks like. There's my Krabby Patty. It looks so silly, but I think it's gonna be so good. We'll see.
It's kind of crunchy there. Kind of
Got
crunchy.
onion. Banger.
No steak.
All right, this is our beautiful view. Pitch black darkness in the middle of the desert. Kids are asleep. And we'll catch you guys in the morning. Adios. We are awake. We got Mackers, Cece, even Uncle James.
We're awake.
Motorcycle races and challenges and probably some crashes and backflips and all that cool stuff.
Yeah, that's gonna be me. Yeah, because I jumped off a
No
cliff.
back. Yeah, that was scary. So it's like a giant mirror right now and it's feeling warm already. I imagine it's gonna get nice and hot today. We got the toys. We'll get those unloaded here soon and start messing around. The other cool thing is right where we parked, it's like walking on glass right now. Check this out. I had this spot pinned previously from previous trips, so I knew it was a pretty good spot.
Right, we're just unloading the cars right now, so. All right, guys, Razor's unloaded.
We're getting some breakfast in. James got the eggs done, and then we're gonna get some fun on the lake bed riding.
You don't have
You gotta hold that clutch and rev that thing to 17,000 RPM. Pop that clutch. Yeah. We're gonna head out just a little bit onto the wide open lake bed. You good?
Good.
We're gonna pass by the camera on that side, okay? I'm gonna pass by the camera on this side, okay? Any questions? You just go as fast as you can. If I miss a shift, you're gonna win. You know what I mean? And I'm not good with these boots. You might win. Mac, you call it. You say ready, set, go. Good. We gotta run that back. Good job, man. You beat me. You got me on the take and I couldn't catch up. Let's run it back. One more time. I gotta get a win. Caesar beat me. Yeah. Okay, ready, set, go! Hey, see, good job racing, bud. You smoked me on the first one, dude. Smoked me so good. I was actually trying to win too. Huh? On the first one, yeah, I missed my shift. You know, I couldn't catch him. What? get something to drink. That was a good little session.
On the other side of the lake bed.
Over there?
Yeah.
What do you gotta do?
You gotta walk it back now. Just like the last time we came.
Lifesaver.
Mac and James are cooked. Mac's not cooked. Are you cooked?
No.
You're not cooked?
No.
You've been riding all day. Do they make it? Oh, made it. I'm gonna go do my last final walk around, and then we can get on the road again. Tie downs are secured, hitched up. Trailer looks good. And check out these prints in the ground. Do you guys think these are bird footprints or like tumbleweed prints from when it rains and then drops the leaf prints on the floor? I'm not sure. Or the branch prints, I should say. Ball, someone's ball. Your red ball, Matt, go get it.
Oh.
Hurry. It was under the RV. Oh, no, never mind, forget it. It's gone. It's all the way over there.
Way over there.
There, guys.
No, that's way too far. Mac, Mac, it's gonna keep going, dude. Let's go. Get in the car. We'll try and catch up to it. It's right there. We're gonna catch up to it. We might be able to rescue it. I mean, we gave it a valiant effort. We chased it down.
Try to chase.
You should have just let Mac chase it the whole way.
He would be so gassed.
I mean,
I want a quad again, you're right.
I want to.
Quad's so fun, man. Well, it's good we're leaving. We were just gonna get blasted by wind right now. All right, we just came down into the mountains and the traffic is bad. As you can see, the fog is very thick, so